Okay, here we go again. Let's continue our discussion. Okay, so we're talking about globalization, economic. So when we say, for example, labor, no, it can be a third world country. For example, India. I'm sorry, India and Philippines. No, these are the number. Then Pakistan. No? So in terms of labor force worldwide, no? Why? Because they know English, and also for goods, maybe China, cheap labor, no, or the low end, high end, maybe Western European, no, things like that, no. And then for the resources, other country, no, for the raw materials, no. Example, China-U.S. trade relationship, the U.S. relies on China for manufacturing goods, while China relies on the U.S. major export country. So U.S. is the buyer, China is the producer. Producer and consumer is always been partner in any segment of the uh, society principles or practices. Producers and consumer. Application promotes global trade efficiency and specialization, can lead to vulnerability during geopolitical tension or supply chain disruption. COVID-19 for Ukraine country. So let's talk about aggregate. When I say aggregate, that's amalgamation. That means combination of economic outputs definition. Aggregate outputs refers to the total value of goods and services produced in an economy, often measured as GDP, gross domestic product, so within the country. GNP, gross national products, including outside. So US 2023 over 26 trillion, making it the largest global economy. India rapid GDP growth is helping it become a global economic powerhouse. No? Application helps government and policymakers assess economic performance and create fiscal or monetary policy used to compare economies global and track development. So that's the let's talk about best step. No? Political, economic, social, technology, environment, and legal. No? So PESTEL is a strategic framework no, to analyze. So for example, political, global examples US-China tariff and trade wars. Economic, we have inflation and interest rate hikes. Why we are discussing this one? Because this one affects the company. If politically is not stable, so what happened? Anarchy, inflation, things like that in economics. Social, people change their preferences, so it affects the product and services of the company, of all businesses. I'm not talking only one, but across all the businesses. Technological, AI, artificial intelligence, and automation disrupting labor markets. No, why? Because AI tends to replace the human, no? Then environmental, EU Green Deal and climate policies. EU is more on Japan, is more on protection and preservation of the environment. So the uh, the 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 ticket or passes for any country for their product to be accepted in any country must have a environmental protection. That means irresponsible in their waste. So that's why they are using uh, biodegradable plastic na? And also legal na? GDPR regulation and data privacy bill. The IT itself na? So application used by multinational corporations to enter foreign markets and anticipate risk na? Aids in global strategic planning and risk management. Economic alliances definition. So we have the agreement between countries to promote economic cooperation, reduce trade barrier, and economic investment. For example, the uh, WTO World Trade Organization, the GAP, no? So on and so forth. No? So, example, European Union Political and Economic Union with single market and currency for many members. ASEAN, no? Is an organization of Southeast Asian countries encourages trade and investment in Southeast Asia. We have NAFTA, USMCA, facilitates trade between the US, Canada, and Mexico. Application encourages regional integration and specialization, strengthens negotiation power on global stage, and promotes stability. So that's let's talk about another topic: international business strategies and market. entry modes. No? So let's talk about access to resources. Definition. Company expands internationally to access valuable natural resources, human capital, technology, or capital markets, no? Unavailable or scarce in their home country. Example, the BP share invests all fields in Africa and Middle East, no? To secure long-term energy supplies. No? Upper sources rare earth minerals from countries like Democratic Republic of Congo for use in smartphones. No? Application supports costs reduction, supply chain resilience, and production innovation, often central to resource seeking foreign direct investment. So those are investors. No? So cost reduction, that means they can reduce their cost of production, therefore that is profit. No? That's why Apple go to the China to reduce their production cost. No? And many multinational company, they went to Asian country to reduce their production cost. No? Number two, by the way, we're talking about international business. No? So not only international marketing, but also business. How do they conduct the business worldwide? So these are big concerns of the moguls, no? About the rich people, no? How they can their money grow and grow and grow. There's no limit in growing. So gaining competitive advantage definition, internationalization can give firm an advance, an edge by leveraging cost benefits, innovation, skill, and brand differentiation. Through this one, company can make a lot of savings, no? Skill that means wider market share, no? And brand differentiation because different people wants different things, so they can produce uh, different brand, no? Different types of product, no? With the same materials they're using, no? Different application, therefore different market. So they're going to sell new to their existing market. Remember that one. Product development and then diversification, new product, new market, things like that. So they try to use the that one, use the try to use the porter model and then the other model of business, no, to expand their product globally. Example, Sarah uses globally responsive supply chain to outpace competitors in fashion. Toyota manufactures vehicles regionally to reduce logistics costs and adapt to local markets. Application enhance value chain efficiency, customer responsiveness, and market presence. No? Help build a sustainable global brand. So that's the application of this international business. No? Exporting definition. Number three, in the international business, the simplest form of international entry, selling products from home country to foreign markets. No? Example, Boeing, export aircraft globally. Russia is buying it, China is buying it, while maintaining production largely in US because it can ride a capacity of 700 people, huh? In one Boeing 747, 300 people. And then Swedish company IKEA initially exported ready to assemble furniture into European markets. Huh? So application, lorries and low investments entry strategy then allows firms to test international demand before deeper involvement. Huh? Then licensing and contracting definition. So company allows foreign partner to use intellectual property brand or production methods for fee or royalty. So that's how they make money. Example, Disney licenses its character to merchandise manufacturers worldwide. Coca-Cola uses licensing and bottling contracts in many countries. So that's how they make money. Application, so not only in the US but in 276 countries. So only licensing they can also make money, not yet the product. Same with Disney. No? Application, low investment, low control strategy. Useful for rapid expansion, especially in regulated or hard to earn better market. For example, a new market or autocratic government. Okay? Another thing is joint venture for a new product. No? Foreign company to form new entity sharing ownership, risk and rewards. For example, creating a tree. No? That's example. No? China have Germany have a lot of market. No? Sony Ericsson was joint venture to combine Sony's electronics with Ericsson's telecom expertise. Starbucks now partnered with Tata Group to enter Indian market. Application local market offers local market insights, risk sharing, and faster market access. Suitable to regulate for regulated markets requiring local ownership. Direct investments, so these are the investors, no? Physical operations, factories, offices, subsidiaries in a foreign country. For example, McDonald's, no? To the other country. Example, Toyota operates manufacturing plants in the US. Apple, investments in India, build phones, like FDI to diversify supply chain. So application offers high control, full profit retention. That's the main thing. Long-term market. So they have a continuous market supply, no? Involves high cost and exposures to political and economic risk. Okay, so these are our sessions for today. So we'll continue our segment on the next meeting. Thank you for having me.